Hello and welcome to another episode of Unity Shorts. In the last video, we made this cube here, and we made it so that it can rotate and have texture and change directions and change color even. But in this video, in the last video we looked at the albedo and adding textures to make it look cool. But we can also add a metallic texture, and you can see kind of changes how it looks. If we put the rocks in the metallic and the tile thing in the albedo, you can see it comes up with this really interesting effect that you can't really see unless you look close. But it looks really cool. And we can select other things for the albedo. It just mixes the textures together in this really interesting way. I really like those tiles as that thing, and then that is like the albedo. It does all sorts of really cool effects to your cube. Why don't mess around with it and see what you can come up with.